Sindi Buthelezi's cause of death was revealed. The family of former Generations actress Sindi Buthelezi has revealed the cause of her death and their devastation at her untimely death. Sindi passed away on Wednesday aged 32. Speaking to a local publication, Sindi's mother Maki Buthelezi said her daughter died of diabetes-related complications and that Sindi had been sick for a while. Sindi was sick. The doctor found out that she is diabetic and another problem that she had was that she had an ulcer, so her body was just sore. So it's not like Sindi had a virus or anything. Maki went on to add that she was sad to see her daughter die so young. Sindi was still young, and we were waiting for the big things that were still ahead of her. It hurts,